2, 1.
The robots are
Good luck,
off.
guys.
The bananas sending off the robot, trying to trip the plane. And the Lego Robo Warriors trying to bring back the pets. They're now readjusting their robots. Bananas are sending the robot off. They want to get that plane down on the airfield. Just missed. There it goes. The plane is released and down on the airfield. The Lego Robo Warriors are picking up the green person. The robot's continuing out. Looks like they wanted to move those planes a little bit. The robot's come back to base and then got the green person in base. Now the bananas readjusting their robot. It looks like they want to hit those tsunami waves. I have to hit that big red lever to release the blue waves.
Yeah, you'll do it with the judge. They can't be attached.
There they go. Robot's thinking.
That's going to feel gravity too.
Not sure if the robot is still thinking or sleeping. The Lego Robo Warriors readjusting their robot. Looks like they're going to send it down to the red area. Okay, they're bringing the robot back. It has tipped the tsunami waves. Good job.
30 seconds.
And the Lego Robo Warriors are sending the robot out. They have several things on top. It looks like they're taking it back. They're going to pick up 2 more things. They've got one. Looks like the radio. They push the buildings in, collapse the right ones.
Oh, it's too high. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.